Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook Marketplace for your side hustle step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the Facebook website or open the Facebook app. If you already have a Facebook account, enter your login credentials. Fill in your email or phone number in the designated field. Next, type in your password. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, look for the Marketplace icon on the left sidebar of the page. If you are using a mobile device, tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Scroll down to find and tap on Marketplace. When the Marketplace page loads, you'll see various listings. To explore or list items, click on the Sell Something button if you want to create a new listing. Follow the prompts to enter details about your item. Add photos by clicking on the camera icon or upload from your gallery. Specify the price and include a description of your item. Review your listings before clicking Publish. Your item will now be visible to potential buyers in your area. To manage your listings, return to the Marketplace and click on your account. Here, you can edit or delete any active listings. Explore the different categories to find items you might want to sell or buy. Use the search bar at the top to look for specific items. Now you are ready to use Facebook Marketplace for your side hustle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.